You know, when we went through the facilities, I think what's tricky again is that a lot of the things people just aren't going to see. So sometimes if you're going out for a bond, you're building a building and everyone's going to see a shiny new building. Now, if we do the tennis courts, people will notice that, but the vast majority of things that were identified on our facility study are just things people aren't going to see. Antiquated and old electrical systems. Well, you can imagine the risk that we could have if we had something, either we'd lose power or worse, right? Like that's my worst concern, would be a safety issue. Again, our air handlers, our roofs, a leaky roof, we can't have it. A faulting air handler, can't have it. Or our own transformer goes down, we just can't have these things happen. But one of the benefits of, let's say we replace an air handler, is the modern air handlers are better. They're more efficient, so we're gonna save money on electricity. They're gonna filter better. Like, you think about all the things that have changed over the past 10, 20, 30 years, everything's more efficient, cleaner, safer, and so that's what I'm really excited about. Even if some of the upgrades we make people won't see, there's still a real impact. And so cost savings in terms of electricity, or having better air quality for our kids and our staff, or things like that.